This year, humanity will produce 2 billion tons of garbage. Our plastic waste alone could line the world's coastlines with full trash bags. We crush it, hide it, even burn it. We ship it overseas where it's out of sight, out of mind. The problem is this solution borrows from the future to solve for today's problem. The ugly truth is that our wrappers, coffee cups, and plastic bags end up in our oceans, where 9 out of 10 seabirds now have plastic in their stomachs. It's in our air, with landfills notoriously leaking lethal greenhouse gas emissions that cause climate change. It even ends up in the same soil we grow our food, and where our grandchildren, hopefully, will grow theirs too. The statistics are scary, and we can't sustain this path for much longer. The good news is, we don't have to. There's still time to make radical changes, but it means approaching old problems with a new way of thinking. And that's exactly what Cielo is doing. Imagine all the unwanted waste we're paying to throw out, the mountains of single-use plastic, household and construction waste. In its green refineries, Cielo uses a revolutionary carbon-neutral process to transform this garbage into high-grade renewable diesel. So the same plastic bags and takeout containers that are choking our planet can actually be used to power our homes, fuel our cars, and keep the porch light on. With plans to build more than 40 refineries across North America, Cielo not only has the potential to become the leading producer of renewable diesel, but more importantly, to keep up to 1 million tons of garbage out of our landfills every year. The ultimate example of reduce, reuse, recycle. This is a radical change. Cielo is passionate about using out-of-the-box thinking to deal with an out-of-sight, out-of-mind problem. They've imagined a world where we don't just shove our garbage into landfills, we transform it into energy we can use. A world where our grandkids don't even know what a landfill is, because we've learned not to waste our waste. And that's the kind of thinking that's not only going to change the statistics, but the world we're leaving to the next generations.